Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadadia and today we are going to study about CBSE Class 9 Science, Chapter number 1, Matter in our surroundings. So what our early ancestor used to say about matter? They say that everything in this universe is made up of five elements, five basic elements called Panch Tattva, and that Panch Tattvas were air, earth, fire, sky, and water. According to them, everything living or non living were made up of these five basic elements. But now, modern days, scientists used to say everything in this universe is made up of material, which scientists have named matter. So, that only we are going to study. The air we breathe, the food we eat, stone, clouds, stars, planets, and animals, even a small drop of water or a particle of sand, each thing is made up of matter. Each thing is matter. So, physical nature of matter. What is matter actually? Matter is made up of very small particles or made up of different small particles. You can see this all particles, small particles together forms combine and forms a matter. And these particles of matters are very small, means you cannot directly see with your naked eyes. You need to use microscope to see these particles, and these particles of matter are continuously moving, and that is they possess what we call the kinetic energy. These particles are very small and they are continuously moving from one place to another, like this, from here to here or here to here, wherever they want. They are continuously moving, and that's why it possesses energy called kinetic energy. We all know that anything is moving, that moving thing possesses kinetic energy, means flowing of wind, flowing of river, everything, or a moving motorcycle, everything possesses kinetic energy. As the temperature rises, particles move faster, so it has a relationship with the temperature. As the temperature rises, this particle moves faster. So we can say that with increase in the temperature, the kinetic energy of the particle also increases. And this intermixing, due to increase in temperature, this particle moves, and sometimes 2 3 particles mix with each other. So this intermixing of two particles or two different type of particles is called diffusion. You have seen when your mother is adding leaves of tea in boiling water. So what happens? The particles of that leaves of tea moves continuously and it mixes with the water. So that process is called diffusion, intermixing of two particles. Now some characteristics that we had understood from this are these characteristics of particle of matter. Particles of matters have space between them. So particles are having space between them. That is our first point. Particles of matter are continuously moving and possesses kinetic energy. So they are continuously moving, so obviously they are having kinetic energy. And particles of matter attract each other and with force of attraction. So each particle is having force of attraction towards other particle, and this all particles are attracting each other. This is attracting to that, and this like this. All these particles are attracting to each other. So these are the characteristics of particle of matter. Matter can be classified as three states. So generally the three states are solid and liquid and gas. Now two more state has been introduced, but we don't have to go for that, but I want to inform you, that's why. Now we are going to study about only solid, liquid and gas. Solid is defined as that form of matter which possesses rigidity, means, let me write down the point one by one. In solid, the particles are very closely packed, or you can say highly packed. Particles, first point, the particles are very closely packed, and that's why they cannot move so freely, but actually they are moving. In this also they are moving, so you can say less, means the kinetic energy is very less. Okay, so here the particles are very closely packed and they are not moving so freely, and they are compressed. So you can see solid is defined as that form of matter which possesses rigidity and is incompressible. Already they don't have much space between them, so incompressible, and hence has a definite shape and a definite volume. So it has some definite shape also and some weight also, and so volume also. And the examples are iron, wood, stone, sand, pencil, book, gold, ice, etc. Now moving towards liquid. Liquid is defined as that form of matter which possesses fluidity. Means here the particles are not so much, you can say, combined, or they are having spaces, but little bit spaces between them. So space between different particles, so possesses fluidity, but it but is almost incompressible, so we cannot compress this also, and has a definite volume. So we can, it has definite volume and we can measure also, that's why, but no definite shape. You can see water, and these are the example: water, milk, petrol, alcohol, oil, juice, cold drink, etc. I'm not going in detail because this you had learned in lower standard also. So these are the small particles which are not so closely packed and they are having in space between them. This is the first point, and that's why this don't have, liquid don't have any fixed shape, and these are the example. Now moving towards gas. Gas is defined as that form of matter which possesses fluidity but is highly compressible, because space is so much between them. The particles are, you can see, so far away from each other, so you can compress and bring them together. So very much space is there between them, and has neither definite shape nor definite volume. You can see air, you can see air, no, because the particles are very loosely packed and they are very far away, but you can compress. So gases are highly compressible, so that only I want to explain, that's why. And these are the example: air, oxygen, helium, nitrogen, and LPG, carbon dioxide, etc. So here we had studied about solid, liquid and gases, and this is part 1 of matters in our surrounding. So in the next part we are going to further study. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.